¿Qué rollo, mi raza? Today, yo ya estoy aquí en la planta. Como pueden ver, esta es la planta aquí. Ya cargué, me dieron 2 locales. Voy a hacer 2 locales ahora y después voy a regresar a hacer preload. Pero para que ande conmigo ahora, like I was telling you, I was saying in Spanish, guys. In this video today, it's a chill day. It's got 2 locals I gotta do. I already loaded up actually. I forgot to record that, but I'm gonna go do a local to New Braunfels and then a local over there by the north side. So hopefully everything goes good. Hopefully God's with us today, and well, He's with us every day. And I love you guys. And let's go. Aquí andamos en New Braunfels esperando ya desamarré. I already unstrapped. Now I'm waiting for the homeboy over there to give me the green light to go over there, and then he's gonna unload me. What's it called? They're doing like an Amazon truck right now, but pretty sure they're pretty quick here all the time. But yeah, we're here. And then we're gonna head back and do another loco. Let's go. Quick little side quest. Ahorita Nicole always makes me lunch, but she didn't make me lunch today, so Subway. Oh yeah. Vamos a comer. Refuel our body. Refuel the truck. Let's get the fuck out. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. I already strapped up the second load. That's why I'm all fucking sweaty. I already strapped up the second load, and that one is going to Southwest Loop 410 over there by like close to Petranco and 151 area. But yeah, let's go. Alrighty, guys, I got here and I was gonna record the unstrapping and stuff, but the guy here is real cool. He's my buddy, and when I got here he was like, hey, it's fucking hot outside, I don't know, fast, I'll meet you out there. I wasn't even done unstrapping by the time he started picking them up, so he's already getting that done right now. I'm getting unloaded right now, and then we're gonna go preload for tomorrow, and then we'll see where the day takes us. But thank you for riding along with me and chilling with me. Let's go. Mira, I just got back right now. ¿Quieren ver al Juanca? Yeah, this is his truck right here. Boulevard in Corpus Christi, Texas.
Damn, te miras todo el oil field.
Come tie it down with me.
Oil field. Hey, I forget that you have a nice hard head like that. It looks pretty cool.
Certified.
Hey, so vas para la airline mañana?
Yeah. ¿Tú?
No sé, I haven't even gone in there. Oh, ya se movieron. I'm gonna scoot up actually. Okay, dile a la gente, what's up with you? See you later.
What's up with you? A lo mejor we might, this vlog is gonna drop when?
Tonight.
This vlog is gonna drop tonight. Maybe after the weekend, you guys are gonna see we might take off the 4 days as a family, all of us.
Oh yeah, hopefully that'll be fucking sick. All right, te quiero mucho. I'll see you over there.
Another cool side quest. Mira, guacha. Yo trabajé aquí un chingo de años. Y yo manejaba esta maquinita, güey. Esa pinche maquinita como me hizo feria la verga. Let's go. Esta luz amarilla, mira. Hey, Ruso. Voy para la Leopard. Está buena esa. Ya tiraste todos los straps. Sí, rápido. I was in there like 2 minutes.
Yeah, you gotta put a little screen right there porque I ran out of. No cabe un grande ahí.
Ah, okay.
Sí cabe, right?
Creo que sí, actually. Yeah, it'll just go a little farther that way.
Sí, güey.
Okay. Ya está, it's fucking hot as fuck, dude.
Nosotros sin AC, gente. What the fuck are we thinking, right?
Sí, no le
Some
verga.
shit. Pero pues, if you stop to fix the AC, you lose money that day, baby. It's gotta be on a weekend, and on a weekend we like to take off to 4 days.
Damn, I like that.
Como dice el vato el de Instagram. If your wife gives you 30 minutes, vato, you gotta fucking take off, vato. You gotta fucking go fish, vato.
¿Qué pasó, José?
El tío Josie. Tío Josie. Tío, saluda a la gente de YouTube. Yo tengo YouTube channel. ¿No sabía? Ese es mi tío Josie. Mi tío Josie.
Number 1.
Oh, yeah, es el money maker aquí de Best Block. ¿De dónde viene, tío?
San Marcos.
Ah, ¿y paletas? Ey, oh, ¿un bucket nuevo o qué? A la verga. Está bien. Where you going? Dixon?
Nixon, some fucking
Oh,
bad.
Nixon.
Yeah,
Wait, hold
Nixon, Smiley Stadium improvements.
Oh, okay. You're going tomorrow?
Yeah, in the morning.
Ah, okay, that's that. Take care.
Fucking McAllen early in the morning.
Damn it, boy. All right, see you later.
All the way, I couldn't see nothing.
Really?
I left here about 3, it rained all the way, gacho, on the way back. Everything was flooded away, the water was up to the people's houses, like, I think it went in their houses way on the way back.
It flooded.
Bad, way, bad.
Hey, follow me on YouTube. You'll be on the video today. Dunzos. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate you. I am gonna be doing a giveaway whenever I get to 100 subscribers. So please like, share. It really helps me out a lot when y'all do that. I got some cool videos coming with the Mustang, with the lawnmower. I'm gonna do some upgrades to my truck. Hopefully soon. More camping trips with the family. I might go to Disney soon too, so that's another vlog. Home stuff, home improvement stuff that I want to do to the house. So I appreciate you guys, and thank you for watching the video, sticking along, and like I said, I appreciate you guys. Love you. God bless you. Peace out.